CCTV फुटेजीन आरोपी कर्म करताना स्पष्ट दिसता.
One person, that is Glen, son of Glen D'souza, he is a resident of Pajifon and he is in one shop at Old Station Road, MARGAO. Yesterday, damaged the structure of Golden Cross at COMBA MARGAO, which is situated at the side of the road in front of the house of the complainant. So, and in this incident was captured on CCTV footage where it is clearly seen that said accused Glen D'souza is damaging the structure. So in this connection we registered a crime under section 295 IPC for hurting the religious sentiments, and in the evening, late evening, we managed to arrest Glen D'souza. So presently we have arrested under this crime and our further interrogation is in progress.
Yesterday around 8:30, when I was going home, we have a cross in our locality called we call it the Golden Cross. When I was going home, I saw that it was intact. But when I was at home at around 10 o'clock, I received a call from my neighbors saying that this cross was broken by an unknown person. So I went over there, and all the neighbors, we came together, and we saw that this cross was broken, and all the things were in bellies thrown all over. The garland, the agarbatti stand, the candles, the other bouquet of flowers. So in the morning I came and gave a complaint to the police station, and they came and they did a panchanama.
Prudent खातीर सावयो डायस.